Hello everyone. Paano gumawa ng official letter of request para sa registration as hazardous waste generator na isasubmit sa regional office ng EMB through hazardous waste management system. So meron tayo ditong pwedeng maging pattern sa ating official letter of request. So unang-una, we can have uh, in our pattern the company letterhead. Lagay natin dyan sa ibabaw and then the date. So for example, August 28. At itong official letter of request, naka-address po ito sa regional director ng concerned regional office ng EMB. So for example, Honorable Robert Angelo M. Metin. Siya ang Regional Director ng Environmental Management Bureau, Region 4A. And yung office address. 4th floor, PITX Tower 2, Barangay Tambo, Parañaque City. And our subject is official letter of request. Then, Dear Director Metin, so tayo ay gumagawa ng request letter, official letter of request for the issuance of the DNR ID number as prescribed in Chapter 3.3 of DAO 2013-22 or the Revised Procedures and Standards for the Management of Hazardous Waste. So ano ang content nitong official letter of request? So ito ay pattern lamang. So, unang-una, Dear Director, for example, the name of the company is ABC Company Inc. Located at, for example, Barangay or MP Casanova Street, Barangay Tambo, Lipa City, Batangas. The ABC Company Inc. located at this address would like to register as a hazardous waste generator in compliance with the requirements of RA 6969 and its implementing rules and regulations. At dito, since ito ay registration as a hazardous waste generator, naka-address lamang ito sa regional director ng concerned regional office ng EMB. At doon sa mga nagre-register as transporter or TSD sa director naman ng EMB, naka-address. Of course, through the regional director. So, another statement na pwedeng isama dito sa letter of request. With this, we would like to request issuance of DNR ID number. The DNR ID number as a hazardous waste generator, open and close hazardous waste generators ID, to be used during our transaction with your office for the transport, treatment, and disposal of hazardous waste generated in our facility. So ang main request is the issuance of DNR ID number. Of course, prior to issuance of this identification number, may mga supporting documents na kailangan submit at ito ay isinasubmit through online hazardous waste management system. So yan lang naman yung simple body, yung sa letter of request. So thank you very much. Very truly yours. Lagay natin dito ang pangalan ng pinaka o tinatawag nating managing head, the highest executive officer of the establishment. So lagay natin Mr. Peter S. Pan, example lang ito. Siya yung managing head. So for example, ang position niya ay president. And then date signed, August 28, 2025. So ito, kapag napirmahan na itong letter of request na naka-address sa regional director, i-upload ito sa hazardous waste management system kasama ng iba't iba pang mga requirements. So again, this is only a pattern. It's not a pro forma. We can use this as a pattern in preparing our letter of request. May mga common question dito yung pwede ba yung PCO na lang yung nakapirma dyan? For me, it's better na ang nakapirma dito ay ang managing head, the highest executive officer, or the one who represents the company. Kasi sino ba naman ang dapat nagre-request ng ganito? Siyempre, yung pinakamataas na ng kumpanya. And since this is official, galing sa company, dapat ang signatory ay yun mismong uh, nagre-represent ng company. Okay, so this is the sample of an official letter of request for the purpose of registration as a hazardous waste generator. So if you want to know more in preparing other requests, in preparing communication letter, if you want to know more about environmental requirements, environmental compliance, please subscribe to this channel. Please share this video. Please like this video. Thank you very much. And you are also encouraged to ask questions below. And we are very happy to assist you in every compliance requirements. Thank you very much, everyone, and have a great day.